Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Sandy Pop. My name is Sandy. I really want to apologize. There's a girl group named Venus that debuted and I'm just upset that I haven't had time to react to them until now. I'm disappointed, I'm cringing. Please forgive me. Come watch with me. Today's reaction is 100% sponsored by Patreon. Thank you so much, patrons. Andrea, Pablo, Mark, Harley, Raven, Robert, Ramses. So like I said in the intro, Venus, a 3-member girl group, is here. I don't know what company they're from. I pretty much don't know anything about them. I just know that they debuted and I'm a girl group reactor. They're a girl group. Let's go react. Alright, they each have 3 colors. I think red, yellow, and blue, if I'm not mistaken. This has like some sort of Latin vibe, I think? Maybe? I'm not sure. Maybe Italian? What country has a... What's that instrument that you squeeze? I'm hearing that. Okay, let me focus. Focus, Andy. Build up. This choreo. Okay, you can tell that their concept is quirky, cutesy, pretty. The video isn't as like quirky and funny as Orange Caramel, I think is the name of the group from back in the day, but I'm getting the same type of vibe from them. The instrumental's quirky and their outfits are quirky, but the video isn't as funny. Look at those balls on their heads. I actually like the instrumental of this song. It's kind of fun. As for the song itself, I'm not sure yet, but I like the little bit. It's like bouncy. This actually is a fun song. It's not in my wheelbarrow. It's not in my preference area, but it's still fun. Like, I'm having fun. Look at those smoking drinks. And pizza, my favorite. It claps now. They all have good voices too. Now we got like a different outro type of sound. Oh, he definitely was a wolf. Did I just miss him as a wolf the whole time? Venus! Turn signal. That was different, 100%, not expecting something like that. Definitely had its own sound. I'm not sure what kind of sound that was. Like, it's definitely from a specific country's type of music. It definitely sounds familiar, I just can't name it, I'm sorry. I definitely think this was a refreshing song, a refreshing sound, style. It was just different, it was just different. And honestly, sometimes different is good. That's why we love Dreamcatcher. The sound that they have is different from most K-pop groups. This is, I have not seen a K-pop girl group in a while sound and do something like this. So thumbs up Venus for taking a risk and bringing something different to the table. I enjoyed myself and I'm excited to see what these 3 girls can bring to the future of K-pop. As always, guys, let me know what you think about this song, Venus's Turn Signal, in the comments. You've been watching another Sandy Pop reaction, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. I will see you guys next time. Please subscribe, like this video, and do all that stuff. Till next time, I will see you later.